I have 4 pieces or 4 lumps of jaggery, and I don't want to grate them because that is too much of effort. So here's a quick trick or a how-to video how to get these lumps to a usable crumbled form in a jiffy. So what we are going to do is we have put these 4 lumps on a tray, on a microwavable tray, and then this is going to go into the microwave. So I am by microwaving for the first 1 minute. It's almost coming to an end. So let us see what is the state. Now we are going to try to cut it with a knife. Okay, it's still not possible to cut it with a knife. So another minute, give it another minute. Okay, so this is our second minute and let us see if it is cuttable. Okay, it has started melting and it has become soft, so we will stop at this point and see how the knife is working on it. See, it had started melting already. Okay, so wonderful. The knife is working beautifully on it. And we are going to now slice it. So this makes it easy to use the jaggery in anything. See, you wouldn't be able to slice so easily if it was not microwaved. And this is about 1 kg of jaggery. So it took me 2 minutes. For a smaller piece, you will take lesser time, obviously. So instead of spending half an hour grating this when it's hard, this is the shortcut way of getting jaggery ready for use. So beautifully and easily it cuts. Don't touch this hot jaggery because it will burn your fingers. Microwave heat scalds very easily. Once this cools, allow this to cool for a couple of hours or till you are ready to pack it into a dabba. Done. Also, since it has molten a bit, I will say reduce the timing a little bit. And once this cools, you might have to crumble it again with the knife. I'm going to let it cool. Make sure there are no ants around. So after 15 minutes I am checking again. The jaggery has cooled, but it needs a little bit of scoring to again make it easy to put it into the dabba. We will allow it to cool for another 15-20 minutes. If you are not time bound, you can leave it to cool completely. Okay, so this is completely cool now, and we will fill it into the dabba. So let's do that. The jaggery is nicely crumbled and it is easier to use it this way. Let me finish finish filling the jaggery of the camera. So the dabba is filled. We will allow the jaggery is still a little warm. We will allow it to cool and then close the lid. So I'm done with this video. I hope you liked it, and do subscribe and comment. Thank you.